when is the x value -1? All right, so we'll find the theta, which gives us an x value of -1, because we know that the x coordinate is equal to r times cosine of theta. X is our cosine theta, y is our sine of theta. So the x value is -1, r is this rational expression, and x equals r cosine of theta. So x value of -1 equals r times cosine of theta. Now, this is not an equation that we necessarily want to do algebraically. You could use your calculator for that. But looking at the textbook number 105, it doesn't have a little calculator symbol, so let's try to do it without a calculator. First, multiply both sides by the denominator, and you'll have the left side times the denominator, and the right side times the denominator, leaving us with this. We'll subtract cosine of theta from both sides. 5 cosine of theta minus cosine of theta is 4 cosine of theta. So cosine of theta is -3/4. Remember, on the unit circle, there will be two different angles with a cosine ratio of -3/4. That's the x-coordinate. And both of these points, one in quadrant 3, or 2 and one in quadrant 3, will have a cosine ratio, or an x-coordinate, in the unit circle of about -0.75. So theta will be inverse cosine of -3/4, and if we put that into our calculator, we'll get approximately a theta value of about 2.419. And the problem just asked for what angle, so they didn't ask for which angles, so we'll just stick with that one. If we want another one, we could do a full revolution and then back up that much. Which would be approximately 3.86 radians. And I guess that's it for number 105C.